Hello everyone, welcome to your code invention, and today we will create a simple project that is face recognition using OpenCV only in 15 lines of code. So let's get started. So let's open the PyCharm and create a face recognition.py. Before starting, I want that you all download this file, this XML file named har cascade classifier, and you can download it from Google, or I will share the link on my description. Okay, so you can download it directly from their file. Firstly, we need to OpenCV module of Python. So for this, we'll open a terminal and type pip3 install OpenCV for Python 3. I have already installed it, so we'll come on the project, import cv2 from OpenCV. Okay, we have to load this cascade file to load the cascade. Okay, so we will make a variable face cascade equals to up from cv2 dot cascade classifier. We have to import cascade classifier, and in it we will give the path of this file. Okay, so har cascade face default. Okay, so here we will give the path for loading this file. Now just create a loop, a infinity loop, and in it we have to read the image file, okay, on which we want to test. So firstly, create a variable named image, and then cv2 dot we have to import imread module for reading the image file, and in it we have to give the image path. Okay, so I already download this image on the same directory, so I'm directly writing the name image.jpg, and now I just make a comment like for with the image. Okay, next we have to convert this image into a grayscale for testing. So convert it, convert to grayscale, and for this we just make a variable gray, and we will use cv2 dot cvt color. Okay, and cvt color, or in it we will give first argument a image. Okay, and then the second argument cv2 dot in which color we want to convert it. So we will want to convert it into a gray color. Okay, so we will do cv2 color and then bg2 gray. Okay, I mean bgr2 gray. And now for detecting the faces, we have to write the code for detecting the faces. So for detecting the face, just make a variable, faces, and then in which we will use face cascade. Okay, we'll use face cascade, this variable, then face cascade dot detect multiscale. Okay, so what is detect multiscale? So it is a function is used to detect the faces. Okay, the function will return a rectangle with coordinates x, y, w, h around the detected faces. Okay, so or generally it take 3 arguments. Okay, the first is the input image, then second scale factor, and then mini neighbors. First is input image. So what is our image? Our image is in gray variable, so we'll write gray. Second argument, it take scale factor. Okay, so what is scale factor? It is a parameter specifying how much the image size is reduced at each image scale. Means that this size of face is detected in the image if present. However, by rescaling the input image, you can resize the larger face to a smaller one. Okay, and making it detectable by the algorithm. 1.05 is a good possible value for this. Okay, so which means you use a small step for resizing. So let's create a 1 point. Let's oh, let's give the value 1.1. Okay, in scale factor, and then we will check the result. So now the third is minimum neighbor. Okay, then what is minimum neighbor? The third is minimum neighbors. Okay, it is a parameter specifying how many neighbors each candidate rectangle should have to retain it. Means the parameter will affect the quality of the detected faces. Higher value result in fewer detection, but with higher quality, 3 to 6 value is a good value for it, I think. So we will give the 3 to 6 between the 4. Okay, we will give the value is 4. So now for draw the rectangle. Around every face or each face. So what we have to do for every x comma y comma w comma h. Okay, in each face, okay, and what we will do, like we just change the variable faces because there are many faces here. So faces and use cv2 dot rectangle. We will use rectangle in which we will first argument give the image, then second x comma y. Okay, we will add the width in x direction. Okay, and then we will add the height on y direction, and then we will give the general parameter like 255 comma 0 0 and 2. Now we will display the images. So for display the images, we will use cv2 dot imshow. Okay, or in it we will use image, like image. Okay, now we have to stop the loop. So for stop the loop, stop if escape key is present. Okay, is pressed. So for this we have to use a wait key in cv2. So cv2 dot wait key, in it we will give the 30. Okay, and if k double equals to 27, then we will use break. So I think we have done it. So let's run it. Let's see what we will do. Yeah, so this is my image, if you can see. Okay, like that is my image. Okay, and my project detected the faces, all the faces. Okay, so where's my detected image? Yeah, so all the faces are detected, but oh, there is a mistake here. Yeah, I think she's pregnant, that's why it is detecting the baby's face also. So let's remove it. So how can we remove it? And so I think we have to modify this value, scale factor. Okay, I discussed it. So if we, I think we will just give 1.3. so I think this would be great. Okay, so let's run it again. Oh yeah, that's a perfect image. So thank you so much, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.